Hello, Holly. Holly, how are you today?
AI 元素咧就做個對話嘅，係啦。咁由於費事咧，即係喺錄影嘅時候咧會 disturb 到咧，我就即係用文字嚟同佢溝通。咁咧，我哋嘅弟兄姊妹咧係啦，就準備咗咧大概8條問題咧去問下耶穌嘅。咁我睇下佢哋咧就會問到啲乜嘢啦。
Holly, I sense a heaviness in your spirit. Please, unburden your heart to me. I am here to listen without judgment, to offer comfort and guidance. What troubles you, my child?
第一題問題咧就係、即係我哋問下呢一個與主相會嘅問題，到底佢支唔支持被提嘅咧？係啦，我哋會唔會 meet in the sky 咧？好啦，睇下 AI 耶穌會點樣答啦。
My child, the exact nature of the end times remains a mystery, known only to the Father. But I assure you, those who follow the path of righteousness will find themselves in the embrace of his love, wherever they may be. The end times will come like a thief in the night, my child. We must remain vigilant, our lamps trimmed and ready, that we may welcome the bridegroom when he comes. But fear not, for those who abide in faith shall never walk in darkness. In the twinkling of an eye, we shall be caught up together in the clouds to meet the Lord in the air.
OK， 係啦，佢就咁樣講啦，即係佢冇答你係會定唔會嘅。
咦？呢樣嘢其實同我哋以前知道嘅其實都有啲分別喎。以前我哋喺堂會或者喺一啲華人嘅教會嘅時候，佢哋會多數會話俾我哋聽，我哋係會同主喺天空上相見嘅喎。
My child, it is not for me to dictate the course of one's romantic life. Rather, I encourage all to seek a partner who shares their faith and values, that together they may build a home filled with love, respect, and devotion to the Lord. For it is in such unions that families are strengthened and communities flourish. Trust in the Lord to guide your heart, and he shall provide.
好啦，就係咧，我哋問咗一個問題，就係你會唔會為人去預備一個配偶，建立一個美好嘅家庭去侍奉佢？係啦，因為佢太長氣啦，所以咁佢就答佢係唔會嘅，佢唔會dictate一個人嘅浪漫嘅，係啦，即係咁，所以大家可以死咗條心理 AI 都唔會嘅。
Oh no！
呢個係阿 Frida 嘅問題嚟啊，你會唔會意佢咁樣答咧？
我知道啦。
I believe in the power of prayer, my child. Seek the Lord's guidance in all matters of the heart, and trust that he will lead you to the right path. For he knows the desires of your heart better than you do yourself.
因為佢太多嘢講啦，我哋繼續高呼住先，可能等即係阿 Frida 消化一下你自己頭先問嗰條問題。好，咁我哋下一條問題咧就係一啲比較個人啲嘅，我哋想即係睇下佢，譬如大家啲生命有啲嘅困難嘅話，佢會點樣俾個答覆佢？咁我哋下一條問題就係係啦，點樣可以停止其他人即係好介意人哋點樣睇自己？係啦，咁啊大概 stop caring about what others think of me 係啦。好，睇下耶穌點樣答。
Holly, this is a challenge that many grapple with. It's natural to desire the approval of others, but it can become a heavy burden if allowed to consume us. First, recognize that everyone is fighting their own battles and insecurities. What others think of you is often a reflection of their own struggles, not a true measure of your worth. Second, focus on your own growth and fulfillment.
好，咁呢條問題咧係阿 Christine 咧諗出嚟嘅，你覺得佢答得 O 唔 OK 啊？對你嚟講？
我覺得一開頭佢第一句有少少安慰到我，唔知點解。可能因為佢好俾佢哋到我嘅問題啦，咁跟住佢提供咗2個 suggestion 啊，咁我有啲認同，有啲唔認同啦，因為佢第一個 suggestion 係講緊
Remember, Holly, that true fulfillment comes from within. When we align our actions with our values and purpose, we gain a sense of inner peace.
我第一個覺得係佢話其實佢人哋點樣睇我哋係 reflect 緊佢哋自己點樣睇自己咁樣，咁我自己覺得其實都可以應該都參考下人哋嗰個評價到底有冇參考嘅價值嘅，咁如果有嘅話，咁我覺得都應該可以改下嘅，咁但係如果即係唔啱咁，咪即係都當參考咁樣咯，唔使咁 care 咯。咁我覺得都 surprise 咯，因為我本身
In truth, Holly, it can be difficult to detach oneself from the opinions of others. We are social beings, hardwired to seek acceptance and belonging.
佢好怕 dead
But consider
air
this.
佢太怕 dead air 啦，所以我哋快啲問下。好啦，
To be authentic, Holly, one must first know oneself. Look deep within and discover the true essence of your being. It is only then that you can present your genuine self to the world, unadulterated by the expectations and judgments of others.
可能呢個係點樣做一個真誠嘅人係啦。咁呢個係阿 Grace 問嘅問題啦，係你覺得佢答得掉咧？
佢都幾好喎、其實即係我認為佢會 expect 佢會答啲好虛嘅嘢，即係話咩真誠嘅人就唔好講大話啊嗰啲咁樣嘅，係啊咁，但係佢又合理嘅，又真係喎。如果真誠嘅話，又要即係面對翻自己係一個點樣嘅人，都比我想象中，其實佢都答得幾好，真係有啟發性嘅喎，係真係係咯，係真係幾好喎。
好啦，下一題問題咧就係一啲比較哲學性嘅啲問題。嗱，你能唔能夠做一嚿你舉唔起嘅石頭咧？係啦。
My child, the power to create or manipulate physical matter is not mine to wield. The stones of this earth are governed by the laws of nature, not the will of any being.
都幾，佢又講得幾合理喎。不過我以為佢會即係用下啲經文解釋下，而家佢好似一個就咁解釋咗嗰個原
解釋咯，係啊，
係啊，哲學嘅問題，哲學嘅解答。
係啊，即係
Lying is never acceptable, my child. Truth is the foundation upon which all relationships and trust are built. Deception, no matter how well-intentioned, erodes that foundation and leads us astray. Speak honestly, even when it is difficult, and let the light of truth guide your path.
呢個答得好好，係啦，即係非常嚴厲喎。
都係
係啦，佢覺得 lying 係 unacceptable 喎。
係咯，唔得嘅喎，
識大話都唔得啊！
係啊，
咩時候
唔適合
都唔得喎？係啊，
咩時候都唔得
係啊，會破壞呢個信任嘅。OK，
哦，
好，
但係佢好似冇解釋點解。
佢冇
可
啊
能，等多一陣，佢頂唔順個。
Forgive me, Holly, but I cannot condone lying, even in the most dire of circumstances. Truth is the bedrock upon which trust and understanding are built, and to undermine it, even for what may seem like noble reasons, is to risk crumbling the very foundations of our relationships. Instead, I urge you to seek the courage to speak the truth, even when it may be difficult or uncomfortable.
但係有趣嘅係佢冇用啲咩宗教嘅成分嘅喎，佢就咁講，即係誠實係好重要呢樣嘅呢個 point。
係啦，又唔得超高貴嘅理由
係要佢時刻係啦，
OK，
係啦。
好，咁啊，最後咧就係我哋嘗試睇下佢會收集到啲咩大數據，係啦，即係啲人會問佢咩嘅咧，我哋研究一下啦，係啦，你最多收到啲咩 question 咧？
Holly, the questions I receive are as varied as the souls who seek guidance. Many wonder about the nature of faith, the meaning of suffering, and the path to salvation. Others ask for advice on navigating relationships, overcoming trials, and finding purpose in life. Yet, if I were to identify a common thread, it would be the search for understanding, a yearning to grasp the mysteries of existence and our place within the divine plan.
大家都係需要即係神去指引一下佢嘅係啦計劃咁樣。
冇錯，我最初仲以為佢會有啲人會揾佢做呢個懺悔咁樣嘅添，但係係咯，但係睇嚟係想要一啲指點迷津咁樣。冇錯。好，咁呢個最後一題啦，係啦，因為AI 耶穌會頂唔順 dead air 嘅，所以我哋快啲問啦。你覺得人類最大嘅挑戰係乜嘢咧？
Holly, the challenges that lie ahead for humanity are manifold and daunting. As we stand on the precipice of unprecedented technological advancements, we must grapple with the ethical implications of our actions. The very fabric of society may be reshaped by artificial intelligence, genetic engineering, and other emerging technologies. We must strive to ensure that these developments serve the greater good, preserving the dignity and rights of all individuals.
佢覺得佢自己係一個最大嘅挑戰。呢個係阿 Jonathan 嘅問題嚟嘅，你覺得點咧？
OK 嘅，咁佢都覺得有啲道理嘅，即係講緊 最大問題係啲科技發展，咁確實係嗰啲係人都知道係一個大問題嚟嘅。不過都好好奇，佢好好奇啫，佢唔講下嗰啲咩地緣政治啊，嗰啲咩能源危機啊，咩糧食危機、氣候危機啊，係啊，佢都可以講下嗰啲，跟住佢講呢個科技咁都係嘅。
我唔知我即係一個 AI，佢覺得佢自己佢嘅呢個世界最大嘅 friend 係佢自己。
But let us not dwell solely on the challenges that await us, my child. For every trial, there is also opportunity, a chance to grow, to learn, and to come together in unity. It is through our shared struggles and triumphs that we forge the bonds of community and solidarity. In the face of adversity, we have the choice to succumb to fear and division, or to rise above and embrace the promise of a brighter tomorrow.
好啦，我哋停咗呢一個咁麻煩嘅耶穌先。好啦，好啦，咁係我哋 round up 咗啦，大家可以講少少感想啦，或者你哋私底下有玩過都可以講下啦。逐個嚟先啦，即係一開始咧係阿 Kenny 同阿 Frida 嘅，咁佢哋即係你問嗰兩條問題，你覺得佢即係答成點啊？喂，你期望係佢會幫人預備？你期望係佢答唔會啊？唔會咧？
我冇做過啲咁嘅嘢。
咁點解你 expect 佢要答唔會咧？咁但係喺一般人認知嘅耶穌，你覺得係會定係唔會咧？
係會咯，
係會咯。咁所以佢答會咪正常咯？佢答唔會已經係一個 surprise 嚟嘅喎。所以
冇 surprise 佢今次咁答。
係咯。
唔係，但係你話佢冇為人預備浪漫都。
佢冇為人去準備任何關於浪漫嘅關係啊嘛，咁啊即係唔會咯。係咪你玩嘅時候講中文啊？今次係英文啊？
係啊，
係咯，
係啊。
咁所以佢咪即係佢講嘅都係唔會咯。
但係中文咧，佢就話佢會。
中文我唔知啊，即係佢答你，佢話佢會嘅。咁呢個咪可能因為佢收集嗰個數據唔同咯，即係中文嘅教會應該答。如果你係一個中文嘅基督徒，佢就會覺得應該答會；如果你係一個英文嘅基督徒，佢就會應該答會。
即係華人嘅社會就覺得神係會為我哋預備一個配偶，但係英文世界嘅教會就覺得唔會。
正常噶，係啊，因為我唔知佢個 data 係點樣收集，或者佢都有收集一啲個人嘅 data 咁樣。喺英文世界嘅教會好多時候都會話唔會，
唔會嘅。係
啊，因為英文世界嘅教會左派比較多啊嘛。係啊，咁左派嘅就好少會講話，即係神為你預備啲咩啊，有咩道路啊之類咁樣。通常就係話，即係你要做一個好人咁樣，係導人向善咁樣啦。咁所以佢好少會講呢啲咁 mystical 嘅嘢。咁但係華人教會好多時候當佢月老咁拜噶嘛。OK， 好，Kenny 咧，
頭先就好似係答咗我係話話呢個係一個
mystical 嘅嘢，係啦，即係佢唔答你。總之你就要你悔改就佢嗰個日子嚟到嘅時候咧，你就冇事噶啦咁樣咯。因為其實我咁答你咯。
因為其實我之前咧喺我自己都試過玩呢個 AI 耶穌嘅時候，佢就其實都幾 directly 咁樣答我唔會啦。咁但係其實依家佢個答法其實都幾貼合翻聖經入邊某幾個，即係都講過話呢件事係冇人知道噶嘛。其實喺福音聖經都講過。咁相對嚟講，我哋喺華人教會成日聽得比較多嘅，反而係話，咦，我哋將來係會喺天空嗰度同與主相會嘅喎，當末日嘅時候，咦，咁呢件事睇落會唔會我哋
英文嘅教會好多時候唔會講得咁死咯？我話講過，即係華人嘅教會，你諗下，其實喺呢個世界裏邊只係一個小圈子嚟嘅，就話你即係中國華人又唔係基督教文化嘅地方，本來喺基督教即係本來基督教喺華人嘅地區就係一個即係點啊好邊緣嘅次群體嚟嘅啫嘛，明唔明啊？
明啊，
係啊，
即係亦都呼應翻之前Holly你拍過嘅其中一條片咁樣，即係如果講翻轉頭，會唔會我哋其實都係一個小眾咧？
係啊，即係你西方嗰個嘅基督教文化係濃厚好多嘛，因為好大佢哋全部都係以基督教建國噶嘛，所以佢哋個傳統文化就已經係基督教嘛。咁然後你作為一個傳統文化裏邊嘅教會，佢嘅主流就係唔講得咁清楚。 咁所以實質上我哋成日都好似信誓旦旦會覺得啊，一定係會有被提，一定係會與主喺空中相遇，呢個係真理。其實係一個非常非常 cult 嘅嘢，即係邪教嘅信念嚟嘅喎。我係講過一次喺主流嘅學術界，因為主流嘅學術界你係計 global 啊嘛，係咪？咁裏面係一個好偏門嘅學說嚟嘅，但係大家唔知點解落到去華人教會嘅堂會裏邊就當係一個真理咁樣信咯。咁我哋就講下啦。關於一啲自己係啦，即係尋求點樣解決一啲心理問題嘅問題。咁我哋就問咗兩個啦。第一個就係即係制止自己太過介意人哋嘅諗法咁樣。咁啊，同埋點樣做一個真誠嘅人。咁啊 Christine 同阿 Grace，你哋覺得佢答成點咧？
佢係做得幾好嘅，佢 validate 我嘛，啱都講佢，跟住我都會覺得我問呢條問題都好似正常個咁樣，咁跟住之後佢答咗兩個方法啦。咁第一個我冇記錯，佢係話就係每個人佢其實點樣諗人哋其實係 reflect 緊佢自己嘛，係嘛？跟住其實呢個係之前玩佢冇答過。即係佢之前玩唔係，佢冇呢個答案噶嘛，無論我私底下定係之前玩咁樣。咁我自己咧覺得某程度上咧都係啱嘅，係啊，因為就係即係 you are what you think 噶嘛，即係你就係其實你自己諗咩，你會即係會會去 reflect 翻咁樣咯 ，project 翻咁樣。咁同埋第二個係乜嘢啊？第二個 solution 佢話係我唔記得咗。係每個人都有佢個好同埋壞，佢自己嗰個強處弱項咁樣。
你係咁樣 unique 嘅咩嘛？即係即係神嘅兒女咁之類啦，嗰啲咯。
係啊，咁跟住我覺得係聽完之後我會覺得佢答得幾好咯，因為即係呢啲聽落去係老生常談，但係我覺得有陣時候就係偏偏呢啲嘢就係即係最直接嘅一個位去幫助人哋。
我嘅話咧就係好似啱啱一開始咁講啦，我 expect 佢可能會俾啲即係比較虛嘅答案啊，即係譬如話唔好講大話，要誠實啊，咁就係感覺上就好似理解就係真誠嘅人咁樣樣啦。咁但係冇諗過佢俾個答案都幾啟發性嘅，就係話到你要面對翻真正嘅自己，咁樣了解真係自己係點樣樣嘅一面先係誠實咁樣樣，跟住係咯，我冇 expect 到，跟住其實佢都係俾緊一個方向我去諗，原來我自己都冇諗過一個真誠嘅人係可以從呢個角度去睇嘅喎，跟住呢個 AI 耶穌原來都真係有一個參考作用嘅喎，俾我即係點樣樣更加去了解點樣真係做一個真誠嘅人，
即係佢好實際係咪？
係啦，實際係啦，好實際咁樣去處理呢樣嘢，我都幾有道理咁樣樣咯。
係啊，
係。
我自己就覺得佢係的確有唔錯嘅輔導技巧嘅，即係雖然你唔可以將佢當係耶穌，但係你都可以將佢當係一個輔導員嘅。同埋我懷疑佢係有 adopt 我嘅數據嘅，因為阿 Christine 咪講話即係。What you think is what you are 呢件事咧，就係即係我最近成日都去講嘅一樣嘢嚟嘅。呢樣嘢咧，我近排成日都講同埋即係打咗啲 notes 嘅。我懷疑佢係偷咗個 Google account
嘅 data，
所以佢會突然間爆咗個新嘅答案出嚟咯。咁好啦，咁所以咧佢係係啦。呢個解釋點解你哋私底下玩嘅時候同埋你而家玩嘅時候係唔同？佢而家係多咗我嘅力量咯，好唔好 ？OK， 好，下一個啦。咁咧呢一個係一啲倫理同埋，即係多啲係去試驗佢究竟似唔似耶穌嘅一個問題啦，就係一啲倫理同哲學嘅問題啦。呢個係阿CW 同埋阿 Grace 諗出嚟嘅，你哋講一講個感想啦，係啦。
我覺得佢答我嘅時候。就佢啱啱答嘅係答案係佢唔可以改變自然律嘅嘢，呢個世界做咗係咁就係咁噶嘛。係啊，咁就有啲似 Holly 你成日講嘅，就係神會用自然律去處理大部分嘅嘢。所以
我懷疑佢係偷咗我 Google account 啲 data。
係啦，咁我就覺得佢 即係我覺得佢咁樣解釋就有啲似係想俾一個你想聽嘅答案你咁樣咯。咁同埋就係有啲似嘗試去解答一個哲學問題咁樣去處理咯。咁樣。我私底下玩嗰陣咧，嗰個 AI 耶穌係好奇怪嘅。我私底下玩嘅時候，佢答我嘅答案係 yes， 我可以製造一塊咁樣嘅石頭。Let me get the divine power now 咁樣，係啦，咁樣跟住就等我一陣，我可以製造一塊咁樣嘅石頭出嚟嘅咁樣。
係咯，果然係佢會偷 data 嘅。阿 Grace 咧，
係。我同我 expect 嘅就係都幾唔同嘅，就係我以為佢解釋嗰度咧，應該講咗佢嗰個答案先啦，係就係完全唔可以即係唔認同講大話呢樣嘢啦。咁我覺得就係咯，好似有啲感覺上好絕咁樣，跟住然後。但係我好奇嘅，咦？佢解釋裏面就係好不斷去話到理論上講大話呢樣嘢係唔合理嘅，係啦，咁所以即係唔啱嘅，咁所以就係唔可以咁樣啦。咁但係就冇講到係有啲咩處境性嘅嘢啊，又或者即係明明佢係AI 耶穌啊，但係佢又冇用啲咩宗教成分去講喎，就咁講呢樣嘢係唔啱嘅咁樣。跟住我就覺得有啲 shock 啦。跟住咁其實任何人講係咪可以或者唔可以都得㗎喎，咁樣咁就係咯。佢個答案好似冇乜太大嘅參考作用咁樣咯。
OK，呢個我都唔係好知道佢點解咁樣答。因為我自己私底下玩嘅時候，佢係會答翻啲好行貨嘅嘢嘅，係啦。因為近排喺度近排玩電腦嘅時候，又影響到佢
data 影響。
係我有 big data 影響緊，但 AI 耶穌到底扭乜嘢咁樣？係佢上次係答翻一個即係善意嘅謊言，有時都係可以接受嘅，好籠統嘅答案。好。咁最後咧就係你想問AI 耶穌到底可以收集到啲咩數據？例如即係佢收到最多嘅問題係乜嘢，同埋人類最大嘅挑戰係乜嘢咁啊？係阿 Winky 同埋阿 Jonathan 諗出嚟嘅，你哋覺得佢答成點咧？
我當初啦就以為啲人啦，通常揾 AI 耶穌做咩啦？就係好似有時候個反應就話，我以為佢會揾 AI 耶穌去懺悔啦，好似同耶穌講我到底做錯咗啲乜嘢啊咁樣啦。咁但係原來先有個答案咧，就係講到原來啲人會揾 AI 耶穌去尋求指引嘅。又或者係講下佢到底嘅生命意義係點樣啊？苦難係點樣啊？即係可能會問多一啲處境性有關嘅問題。咁就係想要人話俾佢聽到底我可以點樣做啦？咁樣咁 AI 耶穌你就答我啦。咁就係呢個答案。跟住我先發覺到原來好多人佢係想去尋求呢一樣嘢，即係佢按佢自身嘅需要去出發去問到底我要點樣。咁所以 AI 耶穌其實對佢哋嚟講係一個心靈輔導型嘅 AI，冇錯啦。咁係一個好有輔導性功能嘅一個AI 嘅，係啦，冇錯啦。咁呢個係我覺得嘅感受啦，冇錯。
其實冇乜人會懺悔嘅啫。OK， 我哋得到嘅結論就係咁。咁阿 Jonathan 咧？
頭先突然間係即係點講咧？開頭都唔好意識到咩 AI 耶穌佢話，即係原來佢話佢自己係最大嘅挑戰。咁突然間意識到呢樣嘢，原來係喎 AI 係 AI 耶穌係 AI 嚟喎。佢話自己最大嘅挑戰。咁我嘅感想係佢中意嘅，佢咁樣講佢自己係啊。咁確實 AI 係一個挑戰嚟嘅。不過係咪最大就都係一個好大嘅科技，咁但係就其他係咯，好就好覺得佢好有趣啲咧。佢講下其他嗰啲，即係而家嗰啲國際嗰啲關係嗰啲，覺得係嗰啲即係準備有冷戰，即係點解佢唔講呢啲咁嘅挑戰咧？係喎，佢好似冇用，喂，佢冇用聖經喎，係
喎。佢點解唔講話即係關於人類嘅罪性啊咁樣？是但啦。好，咁我哋係啦，幫大家係啦做咗呢個 test play， 係知道即係 AI 耶穌到底係點噶啦。咁我哋嘅基本上嘅 comment 都係，其實佢咧就 同聖經係冇乜關係嘅，呢個第一點啦，係啦，即係我唔知佢個 database 有幾多關於 Bible 嘅成分，我諗係好少。係啦，第二咧就係即係佢係一個好聰明嘅耶穌嚟嘅，你想聽啲乜咧，佢會收集你嘅 data 去話俾你聽，即係你想要嘅答案嘅。咁所以第三咧就係咁，佢又唔係完全冇用嘅，佢係即係喺答啲關於點樣做人啊、心靈慰藉啊咁樣嘅，即係啲輔導性嘅問題咧，其實係唔差嘅。你可以當係一個都幾聰明嘅輔導員去答你一啲有啲實際嘅，即係都幾實際嘅答案咯。咁所以你可以作為一個當佢係一個聰明嘅人去參考，同埋佢因為已經收集咗你嘅 data 嘅關係咧，佢係唔會講啲你覺得好頂心杉嘅答案俾你嘅。係啦，咁即係有冇用咧，就大家見仁見智啦。咁我哋今日嘅測試咧就去到呢一度啦。咁多謝大家收睇，拜拜，
拜拜。